Hello, welcome to Isabel Explains and Happy New Year! So you probably already made your New Year's resolution and one of them was to save money. But you know deep down that you're probably not gonna do it. So far, it hasn't worked out. So what are you gonna do differently this year? Here are 3 tips on how to save money efficiently. But before we dive in, if you're a teenager who wants to learn the stuff they don't teach you in school and set up yourself for success, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you can be the first to know when I post new videos. Alright, let's go. Number 1, set a goal. When you do anything important in life, whether it is saving money, getting a new job, moving somewhere, or even going to college, if you do it just for the sake of doing it, it usually ends up being more trouble than it's worth. Or you just keep postponing it because there's no real importance to it. But if you give it a why, a reason for it to happen, chances are you'll make it happen because now it means something to you. So if you're saving money for the sake of saving money, chances are that you're not gonna get very far. But if you set a specific time-sensitive goal, you will save money like your life depends on it. Number 2, save from the top. The biggest mistake most people make, myself included, is that they try to save whatever's left from their paycheck after they have already spent most of it. But if you make it a habit to save from what you get rather than what you have left over, there's a much better chance that you'll actually end up saving money, rather than beating yourself up at the end of the month because you didn't save money. Again. Número 3, hide it. Yes, you heard that right, hide it. Don't save your money in a place that is accessible for you to get it on a whim. Put it on a separate bank account that you normally don't use, put it on a CD or a savings bond, or give it to your parents or someone you truly trust. But don't make it easy for yourself to just take it back. Some banks have a really cool feature on their app where you can literally just hide the account information from yourself. So when you open your app, you only see your checking account and not your savings account. So out of sight, out of mind. I hope these 3 tips were helpful. If you have any other tips, please leave them in the comments. And if you want more information on savings accounts, CDs, saving bonds, and more, check out the video description. Please remember that this is not financial advice and your financial choices are solely your own. Everything in this video is intended for educational purposes only, and you should always consult with a professional before making any important financial decisions. Let's keep growing. I'll see you on the next one.